Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we're diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of March, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.3. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 24.43%. This amounts to an average loss of 1.88% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. This stock is currently positioned within the lower range of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which could present a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $3.14 is breached, it will initially suggest a faster rate of decline. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately -3.88% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns fluctuating between -8.91% and 49.51%. Taking a longer view, our 12-month analysis projects a change of -5.55%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -10.45% to 99.67% over the coming year. In practical terms, this suggests a future price range between $2.96 and $6.61. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline "Volatile Ride for NIO Stock Price on Wednesday, moving between $3.04 and $3.36. The NIO stock price gained 5.41% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025, rising from $3.14 to $3.31. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 10.53%, with a day low at $3.04 and a day high of $3.36. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 21.56% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price increase, which is a positive technical indicator, with 1 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 77 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $253,520,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price is 57.07%, or $4.40, below the 52-week high, and 95.06%, or $63.68, below the all-time high reached on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO's recent performance presents mixed signals. The company reports improving vehicle margins, but struggles with stagnant stock prospects. A crucial requirement for the brand is to refresh its lineup and launch new models to boost revenue without resorting to price cuts. This could be vital for investor confidence, potentially impacting the stock's trajectory in the short term. The stock recently retraced towards its all-time low, dropping for 4 consecutive weeks amid lingering trade war tensions that affect market sentiment. Analysts express concern that without aggressive measures, NIO may see its stock price slip further, with predictions of potential declines to as low as $1.12. Moreover, NIO has completed a significant share offering, raising over 4 billion Hong Kong dollars, which could provide crucial liquidity for future investments. However, competitive pressures are intense, especially from companies like Li Auto, which currently outperform NIO in terms of sales and margin efficiency. Additionally, a potential acquisition of a controlling stake in NIO's power unit by battery giant CATL could reshape its operational strategy, particularly in battery swapping, a key aspect of its value proposition. These developments could have lasting implications on its market position and stock performance over both the short and long term, as investor sentiment may shift depending on the company's adeptness in addressing these challenges. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 30th of September 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and the stock has since increased by approximately 5.41%. Further upward movement is suggested until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, the trading volume is rising alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been detected, which may impact short-term developments. The NIO stock currently displays sell signals based on both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Moreover, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $3.53 and $4.32. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 22 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 11 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 6 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.14. With no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk is heightened, as a drop below the support could lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, exhibiting high volatility. With a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. In the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.32 between its high and low, which is approximately 10.53%. Over the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 10.12%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could signal insufficient profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 13 cents per share. It's crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.75. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.14. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We have received a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO shows several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Our analysis has been updated since the last evaluation, changing from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of April, we anticipate NIO will open lower by approximately 7.33 cents, starting at $3.24. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.